I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you ever notice something unusual with your SoFi account, it's important to report it right away. Here is a simple guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Log into your SoFi account. Start by accessing your SoFi account on the mobile app or website. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Step 2. Navigate to Help Center. Once logged in, look for the Help Center option. This is usually found in the Settings or Support section of your account. Step 3. Select Report Suspicious Activity. In the Help Center, find the option to report suspicious activity. This may be listed under Security Concerns or Account Issues. Step 4. Provide details. Fill out the form with as much detail as possible about the suspicious activity. Include dates, amounts, and any other relevant information. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your report, keep an eye on your email for any follow-up communication from SoFi. They may need more information or will confirm the actions taken. If you notice any unauthorized transactions, make sure to mention them specifically in your report. It can speed up the investigation process. I hope this helps you navigate the process smoothly. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.